Good day, grade 5. Today we are doing page 37, lesson 5. The essential question is, how does the position of a digit in a number relate to its value? We will investigate this more and more to find out what it is. Let's have a look at use your model to describe the relationship between the value of the digits in the decimal 0.77 and their place value position. Now, if you can remember, we changed the fraction to a decimal. Now, if we want to find out what this is, remember, 77 goes at the top. It is the numerator, and the denominator is 100. How do I know? I have 2 digits after the decimal point. So I have to put 1, 2 zeros. And there is my fraction. Shade the model to show 0.77. So we have to shade, remember there is 10 in one column, so we have to shade 1. Let's make it bigger. 1, 2. How many must we shade? If I want 77, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That is 7 columns. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. Let's count them again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So we have shaded 77 of the 100. Write in word form. There you go. That is the word 7. Remember, you can stop the video anytime so that you can fill it in your book. 7 hundreds. 77 hundreds. The standard form is 0.77. The place value chart that you use for whole numbers can be extended to include decimals. Let's have a look. We have tens, we have ones, then we have the decimal point. After that, we have tenths, we have hundredths, and we have thousandths. Can you see that? Can you see the T, H, S after it? If you see that after a 10, 100, 1,000 or any of those, you know that it is a decimal and you know it is less than 1. Less than 1. It has to be a fraction. So let's have a look. Let's see. We are working with 1, 2 decimal after the decimal. So we have 1, 2 after the decimal point. First, we write the back one. First, we write the 7. There, we have a 7. And then we write the 7 over there. There we go. What needs to be in front? We need to put a 0 because there is no whole numbers, only a fraction. Let's move on. The value of digit 7 in the 7th place is 0.7 or 7 tenths. You see, 7 tenths. Write it in. Remember, you can stop the video anytime. The value of the digit 7 in the 100th place is 0.07 or 7 hundredths. Right. Now the value of the 7th in the 100th place is 1/10. It is 10 times as much as the value of the 7 in the 10th place. So that is how we write it, 1/10. It's 10 times as much. Let's move on. Describe the relationship between the value of the digit in the decimal. Now let's have a look. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. And remember, we start at the 7. We write the 7 first, then we write the 2, and then we write the 0. The digit in the 1000th place is a 7. It has a value of 0.007. 1, 2, 3. So 007. If this digit were to move to the 100th place, it would have a value of 0.07. Why? Because it moved here. So we have 0 and a 7. If the digit were to move to the 10th place, now, what if the 7 was here? How will we write it then? Then we write 0.7. Correct. The digit in each place has a value of 1/10 times as much as it has in the place to its left. The decimal model shows 0.033. Use the decimal to answer exercise 124. What is the value of the 3 in the 100th place? 100th place is this one. What is the value of the 3 in the 100th place? It is 0.03. Or you can also say 3 hundredths. What is the value of the 3 in the thousands place? The value is 0.003. Or we can say it is 3 thousandths. The digit in the hundred place is how many times as much as the digit in the thousands place? It is 10 times as much. Use number sense. How many times as much is the value of the digit in the thousand place as in the hundred place? 10 times as much. Let's practice. Use each model to write a decimal in standard form and word form. Then complete each sentence. Girls, you try this by yourself first. And then when you're finished, then you look at the answers. So stop the video. Try it by yourself. Practice it. When you finish, put the video on again and mark it and see if you are correct. The value of the digit in the 10 place is 10 times as much as the digit in the 100 place. We write it as 0.55 in the standard form. In words, we write 55 hundredths. The value of the digit in the hundredths place is 10 times as much as the digit in the 10th place. The standard form is 0.99. In words, 99 hundredths. The value of the digit in the 10th place is 10 times as much as the digit in the 100th place. Let's see how many do we have here. 0 point, remember we start 1, 2, 3 digits. We have 10, 20, 2. So the 2 goes there, 20 goes there, and then we have a 0 there. It is 22 thousandths. There we go, 22 thousandths. Write it in. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. We're working with thousands, so we have 1, 2, 3 digits after. We write a 4 and a 4 and a 0. 44 thousandths. That is the end of our lesson. Make sure you wrote all the answers in your lessons.